Here is a restaurant. They're serving different menu for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So they're considering to play different music for breakfast, lunch and dinner. For instance, classical music for breakfast. Light and cheerful music for lunch. And jazz for dinner. If you want to change the playlist according to its time, then follow this instruction. Let's get started. The key point of this setting is to set the time and the date, and the playlists, and to set the iteration of the playlist. Please go to the System Setting, Annual Scheduler, at first. And select a date to create a schedule. Then it shows the schedule setting page. Input the schedule name, and select the day of the week in case of repetition. Please select the speaker having the sound source, and the zone to broadcast. Choose the MP3 play from the sound source list, and arrange the sound sources in order to play. You can arrange the play order with the arrow in the playlist. And set the number of play repeat. And set up the play priority, volume, date format and the color in the calendar. And set up the broadcasting time and date in the Date and Time menu. Once all settings are done, then click the Save button. When completed, the broadcasting information will be displayed in the calendar, and the playlist will be broadcasted on time. For more details, please refer to the manual. Thanks for watching.